Tavarishi! Welcome to my second lesson.
Anything you say in Russian just
angry.
sounds really angry.
I know. I've heard this from Americans. Apparently, when my dad and I have a conversation about just how much we love each other and everything's great and we're having a fantastic day, it legitimately sounds like Klingon. We're like Americans yelling.
Today we're going to learn some new parts of the Russian language. We are going to study some new words and some new letters. We're going to practice some of the letters and words we've already learned. And we're going to learn 5 new letters and practice some words that we learn with those letters. So come on, let's go. In my first lesson, we learnt the 10 vowels and 3 consonants, which are the same as in English. Let's look at those and recap on what they sound like. A, as in father. Ka, o, as in hello or oil. U, as in rule or boot. Ye, as in yes or yellow. Yo, as in yo-yo or yogurt. E, as in bee. E, as in hairy or fairy. E, as in echo or equator. U, as in union or use. Ya, as in Yahoo or Yamaha. As you remember from the first lesson, there are only 3 consonants that sound the same in the English language as they do in Russian. Ka, te, m. Make your life a little bit easier. Write those down so that you can look at them as you learn the new letters and the new words. Let's have a little bit of practice using those 10 vowels and 3 consonants and practice some syllables. So repeat after me, guys. Ka, ku, ko, Kie, ki, ke. Ta, tu, to, te, ti, ti, te, ta, tio, chu. Ma, mu, mo, mie, mi, me, me, mia, myo, mu. Each Russian word only has one stress. How do I explain this? How the Russians know where that stress is a mystery. They're taught it from this big until they grow up. So they're understanding where that stress is in the word all the time. So you just have to adopt the way of saying it and hope that the pronunciation comes from someone helping you out or slapping you on the back of the head, one of the two. There is no written form of the stress. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to indicate the stressed vowel in the word using a capital letter so that it gives you a visual aid so that you can help you pronounce the word. Let's go ahead and read these words using the capital letter as your stress. Mat, mak, kot, kak, moto, cacao, katok, koma, mama, muka, tema, tiota. Now, try it for yourself. Let me explain just one rule. Russians pronounce the letter O only when it is stressed. When another vowel in that word is stressed, the letter O is pronounced as an A. The word kot only has one vowel, O. So therefore, we write and read it as the word kop. The word kota, making the O at the start sound like an A. Ka-ta. We write the word motok, but we pronounce the word matok because we don't put a stress on the first O.
What?
Don't worry, you will get it if you keep practicing. Let's go ahead and write down 10 more words that sound exactly the same in English as they do in Russian. Computer, coffee, metro, park, parliament, souvenir, taxi, telephone, football. So, time to learn 5 new letters which actually look the same as the English language, but sound very different.
V. N. R. S. H.
V as in veal. N as in nose. R as in rum. S as in sun. H as in hat. Grab yourself a pen and paper and write these down that will help you pronounce them. Vino, vor, niet, nos, rom, ris, son, sona, sin. And that's the end of lesson 2, folks. So if you like this lesson, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to continue running with me, please hit the subscribe button. Also the notification button if you want to hear when I post videos. Hopefully you grasp that. Paka, tavarishi!